Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So I just want to update you guys on what's going on with the Jeep, what are my plans, and what we have for it. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys what I have here in the trunk and what we're going to be working on today with Chris. So it's a mess, but look, I have the Iron Rock A-arm that we are installing today. I also have in here some Spicer ball joints that, not today, but we'll install it some other day. Another update is we did change the name on the channel to Najar Offroad, and also I have new shirts on the website. Down below, my Teespring American flag Jeep shirt, and then also a Mexican flag, just because I am Mexican and I live in America, so why not both? Right? Yeah. ¿Por qué no los dos? So I have those, check those out. I also have some other parts in my shed. I'll show you that right now. So here are the 4-inch rough country springs that Dave gave me when I made the video of his Jeep. So that is that. With the IRO arm, which that is where it connects to. The guy also gave me these. These are like Terraflex, really old arms. I'm not gonna use them. I don't think so, because they don't even have like a jam nut or anything. I don't really trust that. So those are the old headlights. I'm gonna get rid of those. I'm only selling local, so if you're in Southern California, just send me a DM, and I'll sell you those for a good deal. I also have these wheels here. These are my old wheels. They are 15-inch Pro Comp, I believe, and they have the General Grabber tires, but they're pretty worn down. So I don't know. You guys want me to put these back on? Because I'll get new tires for these. I really do like these rims better than the ones that I have now, so I don't know. So here is Iron Rock A-arm. Now, when I bought it, I did buy it used, but the guy gave me new bushings to come along with it, so I had to change those out. I took it to my friend's shop since he has a press and all that, and he said that these are really hard to take out. So if you ever do replace these, I would just recommend getting the, I'm not sure what it's called, that flex joint, like the one that's on here, on all three. That way it's, you don't have to struggle taking these out again, the rubber ones. So yeah, we got the Iron Rock A-arm for the Jeep we're putting on today. And then also I got ball joints for the front end on both sides, so that should be a video coming soon. And yeah, it's actually time to get wrenching on the Jeep. I do want to get it solid before the year ends. I'm tired of having death wobble. I'm tired of the Jeep swaying. So yeah. So the goal is, since it's almost Black Friday, Cyber Monday, those deals are gonna show up on websites for Jeep, and that's what I'm waiting for. I'm hoping to get some long arms and maybe the whole the kit, and just work off of that and upgrade parts here and there. But that's my plan, is to wait for the deals. That way I can actually get some parts for this and actually start wrenching on it, instead of doing just the videos like about lights and whatnot that I've been doing. I actually want to start wrenching on it. So we got that. I also noticed that I do have a leak in my power steering underneath the radiator. One of the hoses, I got to change that out. I have a couple little like rubber pieces that I have to, hoses and stuff that I have to replace on the engine bay, just because it is leaking. So I'm hoping to get all that done before the year ends. That way I'm set up, a good driving Jeep, hopefully. And yeah, so just stay tuned. We have a lot coming out for this Jeep. And yeah, if you guys do like the videos, go ahead and share them with your friends, and give a like and comment. Let me know what you think I should buy. Right now I'm looking at Iron Rock for the suspension. But if you guys have other suggestions, I'm definitely not going rough country, just because of what people say online about it. So I don't want to risk me not liking the lift kit and spending all that money for nothing. So if you guys do have any suggestions, let me know down below in the comment section. Another option I was thinking is Iron Rock long arms in the front, adjustable control arms in the rear. I'm putting the A-arm, and then buying some rusty 4.5-inch springs. Let me know what you guys want to see me buy down below. I do have some money saved up, so I do plan on spending it, like I said, on the Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal. So yeah, let me know. And yeah, so what really helps out is you guys sharing these videos. So share it with a friend, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.